so tall. H is for honeybee collecting nectar's call. H is for honeybee collecting nectar's call. I is for igloo, icy cold and bright. I is for igloo, icy cold and bright. J is for jellyfish swimming through the night. J is for jellyfish swimming through the night. K is for kite soaring up so high. K is for kite soaring up so high. L is for llama trekking through the sky. L is for llama trekking through the sky. M is for magic spells and wonder why. M is for magic spells and wonder why. N is for nest where birds fly inside. N is for nest where birds fly inside. O is for ocean, waves crashing free. O is for ocean, waves crashing free. P is for penguin, waddling with glee. P is for penguin, waddling with glee. Q is for quasar, cosmic light so bright. Q is for quasar, cosmic light so bright. R is for rose.